In this video, I would like to talk about how to solve quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So let us start with question A. Now A is 2x squared. Now that one we have to list it to state the quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b positive or negative square root b square minus 4ac, the whole this over 2a. Now after that we have to list down the values of variables. For example, a is equal to coefficient of quadratic term. So quadratic term is x squared, so coefficient of x squared is 2. Now, b is equal to coefficient of linear term. Our linear term is this one. Now, coefficient of x is negative 4. And c is constant. Our constant is negative 5. After that, we substitute in the equations. So, x is equal to negative, this one, bracket this negative 4, positive or negative, this one, negative 4 square, minus 4, bracket a is equal to 2, and c is equal to negative 5, the whole of this over 2 bracket 2. So x is equal to negative times negative is positive 4, positive or negative square root, negative 4 square is 16, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8, times negative 5 is positive 40. This over 4, 2 times 2. X equal to 4, positive or negative square root 56. This over 4. Then x equal to 4. We have to separate these. We start with the positive 56 over 4 or negative 4 minus 56. This over 4. Now we can just plug in the way it is on the calculator, or we can start by converting this to decimals. All these methods are going to give you the correct answer. Now, plugging in on the calculator the way it is, it gives us x equal to 2.87 to 2 decimal places, or this one plugging in on the calculator, it gives negative 0.87. So these are the answers to that one. Now let's go to 2, which is B. Now B is this one. We start with the formula, which is x is equal to minus b positive or negative square root b square minus 4ac over 2a. Then we list down the values. A equal to coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is 2 over 3. And b is coefficient of x. In this case, b is equal to this one, negative 4 over 5. C is constant. Our constant term in this case is negative 5 over 7. After that, we have to substitute in the equation. So substituting these ones goes like this. X equal to negative, this one, bracket negative 4 over 5, positive negative square root. Now this one over is the open bracket. I've got negative 4 over 5 square. Then we have this minus 4 bracket. A is 2 over 3. And C is negative 5 over 7. The whole of this over, this one is 2 bracket. A is 2 over 3. After that, say x equal to positive, negative times negative is positive 4 over 5, positive or negative square root. This one is 16 over 25 plus negative 4 times 4 times negative 5. All these give us 40 over 3 times this 21. Since negative times negative is positive, then the whole of this over 2 times 2 is 4 over 3. After that, we have to translate that. Say x equal to 4 over 5 positive or negative square root. We add our fractions. So our fractions, they are as follows. We have got 16 over 25 plus 20 over these ones. So common denominator is 525, and then we just take 25 times 21, which we get 525, and 25 into 525 is 21. 21 into 525 is 25. So we just take 21 times 16 and 25 times 40. So multiplication of those ones, we get 1336 over 525. That's after addition. Now they have this over 4 over 3. Now x equal to, we can change this one to decimals as well as this, as well as this. You are going to get the same answer, but I like fractions because they give me exact values. Thereafter, I have to convert that one to decimals. So this is 0.5. If you try to convert it to decimals, it's 0.8. This one, it gives us square root of this one is 1.595, and this 4 over 3 is 1.333. So to manipulate this in fraction form, we get 4 over 5 plus 1336 over 525. This one over 4 over 3, all 4 over 5 minus square root 1336 over 525, the whole of this over 4 over 3. Now after all that, you get x is equal to, you can plug in, you can use calculator to calculate this directly. So calculation of this directly, we get 1.7964 2324093, all x is equal to negative 0.5964 2324093. So to two decimal places is x is equal to 1 2. This to this is 10. 10 to the, 1 plus this is 1.8, or this one again is 10. To that, taking 1 to that is 6. So it's negative 0.6. So that's that about using quadratic formula to solve quadratic equations. If you may have any question, please feel free to ask, or you can comment, or you can hit like button. Otherwise, thank you for watching.